Sue White, Head of Strategy and Marketing at Netcracker. We're seeing in the industry new announcements every day between telcos and satellite operators. And there's a few reasons for this. The first one is advances in low Earth orbit satellite technology, which provide really low latency and high bandwidth. So it's a bit like fiber type services. But the problem in the past, this was incredibly expensive because you need hundreds of them, if not thousands, for global coverage. But with advances in the technology and the launches, it means this is now affordable. So it means telcos can bring in advanced satellite solutions to reach the places that are very hard to get to, and even use it to get more 5G out there so they can backhaul on satellite. So it's really starting to bridge that digital divide. And the second part is direct-to-device or emerging direct-to-device technology. Now this is going to be really revolutionary in the comms industry because it means an ordinary mobile phone or an IoT device or even a connected car can now connect seamlessly between a satellite network and a mobile network without losing any connectivity at all. So this is going to be a real game changer in the industry, and obviously a lot of opportunities from that. So telcos have a real opportunity by basically for enterprise customers by changing the model of how they purchase and consume NaaS type services. So bringing in connectivity together with SD-WAN and SASE type services, but doing it in a more cloud-like and on-demand way. Now, for satellite operators to basically play in this market, they also need to change. So they need to move away from the very proprietary solutions that they had in the past and start to bring satellite more seamlessly into the telco offer. This is where the MEF LSO APIs play an incredibly good role. So by having services such as carrier Ethernet over satellite, we can use some of the business APIs to do things much faster and automate processes like getting a quotation between partners or pricing a new offer or even just setting up a service order. And then on the operational side, it means basically being able to provision services much faster. And also track the performance and just basically track that service end to end. So that means telcos can bring satellite offers into their NaaS offers in the matter of minutes. So it really sort of opens up big opportunity there. So Netcracker is first of all we're helping telcos anyway with getting into and capturing more of the NaaS market. But we're doing some really innovative things for the satellite operators to help them be part of this opportunity as well. Now, satellite networks are really complex because low Earth orbit particularly, these satellites, moving around really fast. Every 90 minutes they orbit Earth. And they're connecting to stations that are not necessarily on the ground and not necessarily static, so they could be on ships or on planes. So you can imagine the amount of dynamicism that we've got involved here. So at Netcracker, we've created a new IT satellite blueprint, and it really does three key things. So the first of all, it helps to really bring a kind of new game-changing AI service assurance layer. This is not even something that the telcos have had up to now, but it helps these operators deliver sort of multiple SLAs for the same service, which has never been done before, so that you can get the best service wherever you are on the planet. And we're doing this for our customers like Telesat, and it means they can offer the best quality no matter where the satellite is, where the end termination point is. They can offer the best service at any time. Secondly, we have a really advanced BSS layer because these satellite operators are global operators, so they need to be able to do business in every single country and monetize the services there. And the third piece is this NaaS engagement model. It's being able to not just interact automatically through these APIs, all the processes between the partners, but also bring a front-end digital engagement layer so that these enterprise customers or partners can visualize their service, configure their service, see everything they need to do with their services, so they're more in control. So we think with these types of capabilities, we're hoping that we'll see a lot more opportunities, between satellite and telcos going forward.